I don't even like actually using the word staff. I prefer calling them my friends now. They are always here for you.
The team at the hub, they know me by first name basis.
We're almost more than 400 people here, but they get to know each of you personally for who you are. You feel like you're a sister to someone, a friend to someone, because there's just that warmness in this accommodation.
It feels like home.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The maintenance in Beyond the Box is the best.
If I have the slightest problem and I tell them to the maintenance people, they're like solving as fast as they can.
Yeah.
She was locked out of her room
On Sunday.
on Sunday and they came and rescued her.
Sign of the cat.
Oh,
The cat.
He's just chilling around the hub, maybe outside. Sandy might become your friend if you end up feeding Sandy.
He's just part of the family. We have a WhatsApp group where you'll see people like, has anyone seen Sandy? Sandy's getting big. Sandy's eating.
Living at Beyond the Box is better than living at student accommodation. It's a lot more personal.
It's bringing back this family atmosphere that usually international students lack when leaving their home. You find something of home from everyone that you meet here.